In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the customization options for your Shopify store, focusing specifically on the footer area. This step-by-step guide is perfect for those looking to make their online store truly reflect their brand's identity. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin page. Once there, navigate to the My Store homepage. This is your main hub for managing your store settings and content. Upon reaching the home page, look on the left sidebar for the Online Store option. Clicking this will bring up additional settings, allowing us to dive deeper into our store's design elements. Next, locate the Customize button, which you can find adjacent to your current theme. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to personalizing the look and feel of your Shopify site. Clicking on Customize will take you to the Theme Editor, a powerful tool for editing, previewing, and perfecting the facets of your online store. Now that we're in the Theme Editor, it's time to turn our attention to the footer. The footer is a key component of any online store, providing visitors with quick access to essential information and resources. Find the footer option on the sidebar menu and click on it. This section allows you to refine elements such as links, lists, or even social media icons. The footer area includes a variety of customizable features, one of which is the color scheme. By adjusting the color scheme, you can ensure that your footer complements the overall aesthetic of your store, enhancing the visual flow. Simply click on Color Scheme and experiment with different shades until you find what best represents your brand. Moving along, let's consider the Email Sign-up option. Adding an email sign-up form to your footer can be a great way to gather subscriptions and encourage customer engagement. Access this feature by selecting Email Sign-up, enabling you to modify the text, design, and functionality of your newsletter sign-up field. Directly beneath this, there's a section called Utilities. By clicking on this, you can add various utility links like terms of service or privacy policy, providing visitors with easy access to important information. These can be customized to align with your store's tone and voice. Then adjust the spacing within the footer for a polished, neat appearance. The spacing settings allow you to alter the vertical and horizontal spacing, ensuring the footer content looks balanced and professional. Choose the Spacing option to fine-tune these aspects. Adjacent to spacing, you'll find the padding settings. Adjusting the padding can help the footer elements appear more prominent or snug, depending on your preference. Click on Padding to modify these settings, allowing for a crisp, clean layout that's visually appealing. Finally, we wrap up our customization journey with theme settings. These allow you to control global settings across your theme, influencing everything from colors to typography. Navigate to theme settings and you can make adjustments that will be applied throughout your entire store for a cohesive look. And there you have it, a guide to personalizing the footer of your Shopify store, enhancing both its functionality and aesthetic appeal. Happy customizing!